After our exploration of Carol's brand, let's dive into Discord, a completely different brand with a very playful personality. Discord is an instant messaging social platform that enables people to connect and build communities. Please download the publicly available brand guidelines. Discord's purpose is to create a space for everyone to find belonging. It has created an inclusive world where no one feels like an outsider. Discord does not use the word personality in their brand guidelines. Rather, they talk about brand values and tone of voice. But we know that these are similar things. Discord is playful, fun, delighted, and never boring. It is original and unexpected. Discord is also relatable. They want to make everyone feel heard, understood, and appreciated. Finally, it is reliable, dependable, and integral. Compared to Carol Bike, Discord represents a completely different tone of voice and personality that needs to be felt in social media. Imagine now that Discord is launching a new product. How would it sound? This is a real example from when Discord introduced text chat in voice channels. Before, there were two different types of channels. One was a voice channel, where people could only send voice messages, and the other one was a text channel where people could send text messages. This created a lot of confusion. For example, when someone wanted to send a text message during a voice chat conversation, they had to find a corresponding chat to do it. Using this insight, Discord launched a new feature allowing text chats in voice channels. To communicate the new feature, they created an amazing copy and a very fun video that I encourage you to watch. These two case studies featuring Carol Bike and Discord showcase how two different companies communicate the new product launch in completely different ways due to their different brands, different personalities, and different tone of voice.